See the lines, the stitch work, and the detail on that cuff? And look at the pockets. See all the stitches? And how pretty it is? And look at these details up here. And this collar, like the perfect amount of stiffness, so you could wear it up and look extra glamorous. Look at those cute little candy buttons. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's look at the back of it. Beautiful. And look at this little flap and the little seams. So cute. Love the color yellow too. It's beautiful. Looks like Chanel yellow. And you just don't see that kind of stuff anymore. They don't make them like they used to. And that is not cliche, because it's very true.